Now, since the drone strike at the Jammu Air Base a few weeks back, we've been reporting on endless drone activity in parts of Jammu. Now, late last night, another incident has been reported of a drone being spotted at the international border. This happened in Arnia sector of Jammu. Alert BSF personnel fired at the drone, after which it returned towards the Pakistan side. BSF has also put out a statement where they've said that a blinking red light was observed by troops at about 9:52 last night at a height of 200 meters. And after they opened fire, it returned back into the Pakistan side. The area has been cordoned off now. This is the 8th such spotting of a drone in and around Jammu since two explosives-laden drones crashed into the Indian Air Force Station on June 27th. Sunilji Bhatt is joining us live from Jammu with more details on this. Sunilji, what's the information that we've picked up so far on this latest drone that's been spotted at the international border? This perhaps gives more credence to the belief that these drones are coming in from Pakistan.
Absolutely, Akshita. It's clear that these drones are being sent by Pakistan for surveillance purposes, for smuggling weapons and drugs. And more recently, we saw that two drones were used to carry out attacks on the Indian Air Force Station in Jammu. 2 days ago also, a truck driver was nabbed from Jammu-Srinagar National Highway and weapons were seized from that driver. And later on during the interrogation, he revealed that he got this consignment of weapons through drones along the international border in Samba district. So it's clear that Pakistan is now using drones to foment trouble in Jammu and Kashmir. And late last night also a drone was spotted along the international border in Jammu's Arnia sector. Right now it's not clear that whether this drone was used for surveillance purposes or it was being used to smuggle weapons. But the alert BSF troops fired at that drone, but soon it vanished. But taking no chances, the BSF personnel have launched a massive search operation in that entire area. And they are trying to find out whether, in case if that drone was shot down, they are trying to find out the traces of that drone. But so far, nothing has been found. High alert has already been sounded all along the international border as well as along the line of control. Akshita, back to you.
We'll keep tracking the latest updates on the story. Sunilji, thank you for joining us with those details. More breaking news that's coming in.